Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. I am back for another look at what's going on here on Vanderbilt Beach in North Naples, Florida, as Hurricane Helene starts to make her trek up the Gulf Coast. Far away from us out in the Gulf, but we're still feeling her effects. But who'd have thought we'd be seeing any blue sky this morning? Blue sky, and there's actually some sun every once in a while hitting the beach. Absolutely amazing. It's about 9 o'clock right now. I don't know what the temperature is, probably around 80. We've been through high tide, but the tide doesn't really seem to be subsiding now. If anything, it might be getting a little higher. The Vanderbilt Beach Resort and Turtle Club restaurant over here on my right. A few of the bigger waves kind of lapped up over the seawall here, but so far nothing's really made it up over the seawall at the Turtle Club, thank goodness. I have been seeing some people out walking the beach, checking out what's going on. Here along the shore, at least on Vanderbilt Beach, we have not been getting a lot of rain. I know they've been getting rain inland, but here, you know, some bands have gone over me, some of those outer rain bands of the hurricane, but really no super intense, long-lasting downpours. The wind is picking up a little bit. Every now and then we're getting some stronger gusts. But this blue sky, holy cow. Who'd have thunk it, huh? Who'd have thunk it? Hey, remember who's out here doing this for you, my friends. The only financial support that I get is from you, my friends, so keep that in mind. Facebook stars, you can send those to any of my videos, including this one on Facebook. I get a penny for each of those. Tips, hugely appreciated. Preferred over those stars, but I'll take whatever I can get. But right now, bills are starting to pile up. You can find a link to my PayPal account in the description of this post if you'd like to send a little thank you, a token of appreciation. Look at this glorious sun. Wow. Peeking through the palms at the Turtle Club. Oh, just went behind a cloud. It's in and out. Those clouds are moving really, really fast. Hey, you can also find me on Venmo and Apple Pay. Every dollar helps, my friends. Just saying. I couldn't be out here without your support. You're a wonderful group of friends. My Southwest Florida Television Beach family. Earlier we walked, 3/4 of the way up to the La Playa from here. I'm going to take you back down to the drop-off at Vanderbilt Beach Park. When I left you, the water was just starting to trickle out into the road. That was, what, about 45 minutes ago? If you're wondering why the audio sounds a little funny, it's because I have the camera in an underwater housing. It's basically like a big plastic box. So it's kind of like it's in a tin can. I didn't want to risk losing another iPhone out here. Hey, it's about the view. It's not about me talking. Although I do enjoy talking to you. don't realize how strong this water is until it pushes up under your feet, and then it pushes you, then it pulls you back towards the water. You definitely don't want to be out in this water. I did see a couple kids with their surfboards out here in between my live feeds. But look at that, we're actually getting sunshine on the beach. I don't know if I'll make it out here again today. I'll try. I got to get home, get some videos uploaded to YouTube. Got to get the phone recharged. We'll see what happens. If I can walk out here, it's supposed to get much worse this afternoon. In another couple hours, it's supposed to start going downhill, but if you look at it now, you'd be like, what? Never would guess there's a major threatening hurricane out there. Down there somewhere in the southwest. If you had some beach to sit on, it'd be a nice morning now, right now, to come out and work on your tan. A little breezy. Yeah, it's not going to last long. All right, I want to get down there to Vanderbilt Beach Park, and then I got to get rolling. Now I'm walking into that wind. Could see up to 60, 65 mile an hour gusts today. I think the highest sustained wind that I saw early this morning in the forecast was 39 miles an hour here in North Naples. I'm assuming the storm's a Category 2. I haven't checked the weather reports since being out here since I started at 7. They were saying around 8 it was going to get upgraded probably to a Category 2. By the time it passes us in the Gulf, a Category 3. I'm still talking about Category 4 when it makes landfall, which could be deadly, a catastrophic storm. Possibly a 20-foot storm surge. It's huge. Huge, huge, huge. I don't know if the shelling's going to be good after the storm. We're going to find out see what the beach looks like tomorrow morning when I come out here. But this sun on the beach, I was not expecting that at all. Not at all. I have a hard time ending these live feeds. Right where the finish button is for the live feeds, I don't know, it's in this housing, I have a hard time hitting that button. So my endings are kind of clunky. Oh well, at least you get to see what's going on. Back at the Turtle Club. Those waves are huge. Those waves you see crashing right there on the shore are huge. That last one was probably close to 6 foot high, that break. Would not be wanting to walk along the edge of that water right there. We got the double break here. We got the break out on the outer edge of the sandbar and then right up here along the shoreline. It's hard to tell if the tide's receding at all. There's a nice little gust of wind. Feels good. I got a hot rain jacket on. If you're not doing so already, tune in live to my morning beach walks on Southwest Florida Television's Facebook page. Great way to start your morning if you're a beach lover. Even if you're not, it's a great way to meet some awesome people. Our friends that follow along, we call ourselves the Southwest Florida Television Beach Family. And we'd love to have you in our beach family. Right now they're starting a little after 7. Depends on the weather, how bright it is. As soon as I get enough light, I'll get started. Hey, hit that share button, by the way. That helps me out tremendously. Yeah, I think the water's getting higher. Even though the tide is going out. Coming up to Vanderbilt Beach Park here, where the drop-off is, down by the parking garage. Man, that sun, just incredible. Just beautiful, bright Florida sun. Ritz-Carlton sticking up over there. Well, maybe not. Maybe the water's gone down a little here. I ended my last live feed. It was running out into the street here. Now it looks like it's just barely making it over the crest there. you wishing you're out here. It is kind of exhilarating. Like I said, now it's like almost a beautiful beach morning if we had some dry sand. Incredible, incredible, incredible. How deceiving things can be. I don't know where all my friends are. Their umbrellas and cabanas. Wow. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here. It's going to be a little fumbling here to end the live feed, so bear with me. We did. I just heard somebody saying we got lucky. We got really lucky. Fortunately, the worst part of the storm is coming after our high tide. We do have another high tide around midnight tonight. But I think down here in Naples we're going to be okay. But you never know. All right, if you happen to send some stars, thank you. If you send a tip, thank you. I do appreciate it. I do depend on your support. Remember that, to make ends meet. That's the only way I can continue to come out here. You can find a link to my PayPal account in the description of this post. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your lives. And God bless this wonderful, beautiful, and amazing country, the place that I so proudly call my home. God bless America. Tally-ho. Tally-ho. Here goes the fumbling around.